In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Microsoft Excel for free. It's legal, it requires no subscription, and it comes direct from Microsoft. You know, cracked versions of Excel is full of malware and it could infect your system and your system may begin to misbehave. And once your system begins to misbehave, there may be need for replacement. So that's why I'm going to show you how you can get it legally from Microsoft. In order to do this, we are going to be using the web version of Microsoft Excel because it offers lots of advantages. You talk of the accessibility, allowing work from any device in as much as you are connected with internet. It allows for real-time collaboration where multiple users could edit on the spreadsheet simultaneously, and it provides auto-saving, thereby preventing data loss, and it has more features and latest features that you need to test first before the desktop version. To get started with the web version of this Microsoft Excel, you simply open your browser, and once you open your browser, you go ahead and type excel.cloud.microsoft and press your enter. With this, you'll be welcomed with this particular interface. If your own did not open properly as this, you can go ahead and type free Excel online and press enter. You will get this search result. You can see this very first one. You can just click on it and wait for it to load. The moment it loads, you can just scroll down and you will get this particular one. You can see Excel for the web. This is the particular one that we need. So you can just click go to Excel. You will land yourself to this particular interface. Now we are going to click create blank workbook. Now, the moment you click on that, you'll be required to sign in or create an account. If you've not created an account with Microsoft, you are going to use this very option, create one. And here, if you've created an account with them, you can simply sign in and get started. For me, I have created an account with Microsoft, so I just simply need to sign in. In order to do that, I just put my email address here and get started. Now click on next. Then the moment I click on next, I just get this message in order for me to proceed. Now it says type this to get your OTP. So there's a code that is sent to my email. So I go over to my email and get that particular code and put it here. You can see this is the code that was sent to me. So I simply put it and press my enter. It says stay signed in. Yes, just stay signed in. So it is now loading for me. So let's just wait for it to actually load on our browser. You can see that the Excel spreadsheet has actually opened up for us. So you can even get started using it. For instance, if you wish to perform any simple calculation here, you can see all of these things. I'm just trying to make out something so that I can see what we have. Okay. So let's say I wish to sum these particular values. I just press my enter. You can see that it is actually working and working perfectly well. You can see that. So Excel web version has a whole lot. You can see the home tab. All the necessary commands you have on the home tab, they are all included here. You can see the insert tab. You can see things on pivot table. You can see table. You can see form. You can see pictures and all of that. So it has a whole lot to offer in this web version. And so, like I said, it allows for collaboration. If you finish using it, you can, maybe you wish to open it in any location, you can just simply log in, access your document, and you go ahead and use it. If you are done working on this particular document, you can just click on the file menu, and here you can either wish to share with somebody. Maybe you wish to share with people, you can just click on this, and from here now you can see you just add the person's name or the email address, and the moment you are done doing that, you can just click on send and it will be delivered to the other person. You can even create a copy by downloading your own copy, or you can even export it as PDF. So all of these things are what this online web version of Excel has to offer, and so you can use it all for free, and there will be no subscription as you're using this. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell as you expect my next video. You may even drop for me on the comment section any video you want me to talk about. I will welcome it. Thank you.